I mentioned to you earlier on that you need to work with Flash video if you want to create hotspots, and I just want to take you through that. So I'm going to drag a video on that's a bit longer because if we're going to have a hotspot, then we need it on the screen for a few seconds. So I've just imported in a longer video. Click on callouts, choose one of the boxes, and that will do fine. I'm just going to write in an address. You might just simply write click here. Teacher training videos.com. That is just simply the address that's going to appear on the screen. That's not going to affect the hotspot itself. I just want to make that slightly smaller so that it fits across one line. It's below here that you need to click on make flash hotspot, and now you need to set the properties of that flash hotspot. I'm going to make this fade out after 5 seconds and slowly, but then I click on the flash hot properties and hotspot properties, and I need to click jump to, and I'll put in teachertrainingvideos.com. So I'm just going to write that in, teachertrainingvideos.com, and open in a new browser. Click on OK. So the video is now produced and it's got its hotspot on it. We're going to come back now to the clip bin. Now we're going to produce this as an output, but we're going to go to custom production settings to make sure that it's a flash output. Click on next, make sure that we've got here MPEG, and then click on the next button. Now for this one we just need one video, so we're just going to produce it as one single video. Click on next. We won't worry about any of these settings. Click on the final one. We're going to call this hotspot, or hot will do, and just call it that. Click again on the finish button. Now, as you know from the previous examples, every time I click on this it doesn't actually work properly while I'm running Camtasia twice. So if I click here, but just to show you that you would click here, and this time it's done exactly the same thing. So I have to turn off the Camtasia while I'm actually compressing the file and producing it for using or for creating the hotspot.